Geometric principle 4 states that a line projects as a point when we look along its true length. Okay, so here we have an example, right? We've got our archer and he's looking along that arrow, okay, and so is our T here, okay, looking down along the arrow, okay. And there's a couple of examples of where it comes up in geological geometry. So looking at our model here, we have our arrow, okay. Now if we wanted to look along this arrow, I'm just going to get rid of this, okay. Let's imagine we looked down along the arrow, okay, but didn't have a true length. So if we took an auxiliary looking along here, okay, we would see all this part of the arrow, okay. So what we need is to find a true length first of all, and you'll see what happens then. So, okay, so there's our vertical plane, okay. Now true length means we need to look in perpendicular to our line, okay, so viewing in this way. So here's my auxiliary vertical plane that I'm going to be projecting onto, and here is what is created, okay. So I'll just look perpendicular to that, might swing around, bring it back. So here we have it, okay. Just a second, I'm just using the top edge of this, okay. So here is my true length of that line, okay. Once I have the true length of that line, I now want to look down along that line. Now it's going to give us this plane down here, okay. So I'm going to look down along that line, okay. So now I can see down along that, I'm seeing my point view of that line. That will give us our auxiliary, and here we have it produced a point view of our shape or of our line, okay. So true length line first, and then we look down along it to see it as a point view.